My name is Mary Woods. I'm from Newmarket-on-Fergus in County Clare, and I'm a double cancer survivor. In 2020, I had a womb cancer, hysterectomy, and then that was followed with radiotherapy. I thought that was the end of my cancer journey. What little did I know was that the following summer, I would have a bowel cancer operation, and that was followed by chemotherapy, which finished in January 2022. It was a very difficult experience because it also coincided with COVID, which made it difficult in that getting in and out and going to hospital, that was different. The experience in hospital was very different because of COVID. But I made my way through the experience, difficult and all as it was, and thankfully now I'm cancer-free. At the time, it was mind-numbing. I didn't know what was ahead of me, as is the way with cancer. Nobody knows what's ahead of them. I would say to anybody who gets it, who is told that they have cancer, please follow your doctor's, consultant's instructions and get all the information you can from them. They're excellent, and I would say thank you very much again to all the medical staff I met. For many years, I've been involved in Daffodil Day and collecting for the Irish Cancer Society. Little did I ever think when I was starting out as a collector for Daffodil Day that I would one day be contacting the Cancer Society for counselling. I must say, I found the counselling so helpful. I had 2 sessions of counselling, one with each cancer, and both were excellent. The counsellor was very good, and what I found about that was I was talking to a counsellor who understood as far as possible what it was like to have cancer and could direct the sessions in a way that was very helpful for me. So I would highly recommend contacting the Irish Cancer Society counsellors. When it comes to collecting for Daffodil Day, I find very easy job to do. As organiser, I've been organiser in Newmarket-on-Fergus for about 5 years now, and all I hear is yes. Yes, I will collect for you. Yes, from our local supermarket, Eurospar, you can hold your collection here, no problem. And that the support is fantastic. The people of the community give their money without question. And hopefully this year again, we will have the same experience. It's very important to support Daffodil Day. The Cancer Society receives 5% of its financial requirement every year from government sources. So 95% comes from the donations they get through Daffodil Day and other donations they get from companies, etc. So it's invaluable to donate to them. Their work in counselling, night nurse support, free drives to and from treatment for people, all these help so much, help the families, and that they make the cancer journey easier for those going through cancer and for their family. Also very important in their work is the work they're doing for children and young adolescents. Everybody is considered by the Irish Cancer Society. Please help them as much as you can on Daffodil Day, or if not on Daffodil Day at any other time through their website. Thank you.